If you find your Keurig brewer is not operating at peak performance, you should try descaling. We recommend descaling every 3 to 6 months with Keurig Descaling Solution. It's a simple process that can help extend the life of your brewer when used regularly. In this video, we'll demonstrate the 3-step process of how to descale your Keurig brewer with a 1-cup reservoir. Here's what you'll need: a bottle of Keurig Descaling Solution, a large ceramic mug, and access to a sink. The process should take about 45 minutes. Let's get started. Pour 1/3 of the Keurig Descaling Solution into the water reservoir and add fresh water to the 10-ounce fill level. Place a ceramic mug on the drip tray. Lift and lower the handle, but do not add a K-cup pod. Press the brew button. Once the solution is dispensed, discard the hot contents into the sink. Repeat the process, but this time, when the brew indicator light turns solid, power off the brewer as it starts to dispense. Let the brewer stand for at least 30 minutes. Press and hold the brew button until the solution begins to dispense, and continue to hold the button until all of the solution has been dispensed. Discard the contents into the sink. Now, perform a cleansing brew using 12 ounces of fresh water only. Do not add descaling solution at this time. Repeat this step 2 additional times. That's it! Your brewer is now descaled and you're ready to brew. Keurig Descaling Solution is fast-acting and odorless. However, you may also descale your brewer with white vinegar, which will take about 4 hours. You will follow the same steps as shown in this video with the following changes. In place of the Keurig Descaling Solution, you will need 24 ounces of white vinegar. You should not dilute the vinegar with water and use pure white vinegar only. During the internal tank soak, we recommend letting your brewer stand for at least 4 hours. Fill with fresh water and then repeat the cleansing brew process 4 times, or more if a taste is present.